Collective, card of the day po tayo. Ano yung mensaheng dala-dala para sa inyo nitong card of the day? Ano yung energy? Ang nahugot natin, Page of Cups. Kung person ito, pwede siyang merong Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sa kanyang chart. Or kung ikaw man yun, or yung person na ka-deal mo. Okay, this is a happy message na marireceive mo. It could be a text, an email, a chat, or isang magandang mensahe na paparating sa'yo. Pwede rin itong opportunity in career or in love. Oo. Itong person na to, kung person to, ito yung umaapaw yung feelings niya sa'yo. It could be umaapaw na love, it could be umaapaw na care, or emotions, no? This is someone na i-express niya yung kanyang nararamdaman. Kung person to, pwedeng creative itong person na to. It could be you or the person you're dealing with. May pagka-dreamy, romantic, or intuitive siya. Maybe this is a confession, no? Coming from this person. No? I-express niya kasi, it's either pag-i-express ito ng emotion or pag-i-express ng creativity. Okay.